Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. Today we'll be looking at if error function. If error function can be used to trap and undo errors in a formula. Now, if you look at my table, I have products and I have price for each product. Now, if you look at here, instead of products, I have an error, even though there is a price here. Now, what I want to do is I want to return back my products here. Now, in returning my products here, I don't want to see this if error. Now, I don't want to see this error, which means that I can use if error function to replace this error. I can use if error function to replace this error. Now, let me start. Equals to if error value, what I want to return. I want to return this, comma, and then value if error. So that is, if there is an error in my column, what should Microsoft Excel return? So I don't want it to return back the error. Rather, I want it to return not available. So close my brackets and I will hit my enter. So let me autofill and let's see. Now instead of me to see this error, what I'm going to see is what I set. So Microsoft Excel will return this that I set instead of this particular error. Now, I hope you've learned something today on my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel in order for you to see more of my videos. Thank you very much.